Ever wonder how AI can boost your creativity? Here are the top 5 AI tools every creative person should know about. First in the line is Claude by Anthropic. It's a conversational AI design tools to assist with creative thinking, writings, brainstorming, and even simulating dialogue. Whether you are writing your next bestseller or crafting a viral campaign, Claude serves up ideas faster than your favorite barista. Next, we have Leonardo AI. This tool generates stunning visuals and unique designs, making it a must-have for graphic designers and digital artists. With Leonardo AI, you can create everything from intricate illustrations to beautiful concept arts. Perfect for an artist who wants to paint with pixels and dreams in RGB. Third in the list is Perplexity AI. It's perfect for content creators, offering human-like text generation for blogs, social media, and many more. Use Perplexity AI to draft articles, write engaging social media posts, and even develop scripts for videos. Fourth is Logo Diffusion AI. Create unique and professional logos effortlessly with this AI-powered design tools for branding and logo creations. Because your brand deserves more than just a logo, it deserves a standing ovation as well. Transforming ideas into iconic symbols, one pixel at a time. And finally, Canva. This user-friendly platform offers a range of AI tools for photo enhancement, background removal, and design solutions, perfect for all your creative projects. Canva makes graphic designs accessible to everyone with its drag and drop facilities and interface and a vast library of templates. With AI that's as smart as it's stylish, making designs magic has never been easier. From selfies to sales speech, Canva got your back. So, unlock your creative potentials with these amazing AI tools. Try them out and take your creativity to the next level. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more tips and tricks. Thank you. See you soon.